What's unique about Jacksonville is our military presence. It's a very strong presence here. On any given day, you would see a number of military passengers being deployed out.
I'm going to say 90% of the people flying out of this airport are military.
We have the monuments like the Beirut memorials. It's a great sight out there, man, to see names of all the men and women that have fought for our country that's been put on those plaques and those monuments over there.
The memorials are really beautiful. The Marine memorials, like the Beirut memorial, is very beautiful. Just walking past, just seeing all the history.
Because we got, the second largest military base over here, literally 30 minutes down the road. So you see a lot of the military men and women coming out of here.
We're 1 hour's drive from New Bern, North Carolina, and about the same distance from Pitt Greenville, an hour from Wilmington, approximately 2 hours away from Raleigh-Durham. We're a cross-train station, so everyone here knows how to do everything.
And here we have the ERJ, we have the CRJ 700s, CRJ 900s. Pretty much all our flights go from Jacksonville to Charlotte.
American Airlines and Piedmont offers our military bag waivers to our valued men and women of the service. And with that, they tend to come with all 5 bags when they're being deployed out on a mission.
We get to see a whole lot more bags than other stations see.
There's just a certain satisfaction that you get whenever you start a flight and then you watch it take off.
I'll mostly tell people that come into Jacksonville, hey, make sure you go to the beach, make sure you go get some great food.
Within about 25 minutes to an hour, you can reach approximately 6 beaches in Jacksonville area.
When it's time for me to vacation, I'll be like, man, why go elsewhere? Everybody's coming here for vacation, you know.
If you are an aircraft enthusiast, I think this would be the place to come see a lot of different aircrafts, especially the military type.
I enjoy all my coworkers. We all have a good relationship with each other.
I'm all about, keeping the team happy, making the team happy, making everybody want to come to work.
It's a nice camaraderie, nice family-oriented vibe.
You choose Jacksonville, fly on American Airlines, man, it's great.